How to block access to a workgroup. You may want to block a workgroup while you upgrade or perform maintenance on the server. Click on the admin icon, select the Block Unblock option, and click Continue. Blocking a workgroup will end all current user sessions. If you'd like to see who's logged in before you block, select one or more workgroups, then click on the Log Off User Sessions button. Click on a user and click Log Off. There's a box at the bottom where you can enter a custom message. You can let users know when the system will be accessible again. You can enter HTML code into the box to format the message. Please don't use HTML or body or other header tags. You can check this box to select all workgroups. Or you can select one or more workgroups, then click on the Block Unblock button. The workgroups you selected will now reflect blocked in the status column. This is what a user will see when they try to access a blocked workgroup. To unblock, select one or more workgroups, then click on the Block Unblock button.